Hello everyone, welcome back. In this part, we're going to talk about this keyword in JavaScript. Let's say we have some simple object right here, the name of person. And in this object, of course, we're going to have some fields. Let's say here we have first name of our object and person right here, which is Tim, for example. Then we have the last name, of course, which is Smith in this case. After this, let's say we have this age, which is 29 years old. And this is our person's information right here. Let's say here we want to have function for this person, which is getInfo function right here. As you know, we declare function like this. And inside of the function, it's going to console log that Tim Smith has 29 years old. And here, of course, if we use this person.getInfo function right here and run our code, you're going to see this printing right here. But another way of doing this kind of things is that we can use our this keyword. And what this does is going to grab item that we want for us. For example, here, let's say we want to grab only the first name. If we write first name right here and run our code, you can see that we got error of first name is not defined because there is no variable as first name inside of our code, so this console log can be executed. So what we can do, we're going to add this keyword before of this first name and then use our dots right here. And by using this, when we use this keyword, it's going to come to this person and select first name inside of that person. And now if we run, you can see that we got our first name right here. And just as same as this, of course, we're going to have our last name right here, which is Smith in this case. And as same as this, we're going to have our age. And it doesn't matter how many items and fields that we have, we can do all of them even together. For example, let's say we want to do the same thing that has printed Tim Smith has 29 years old, but in dynamic mode. So what we can do is we're going to use this dot first name right here. Then because we want a space between of these, we're going to concat that with this string which has space inside of it. Then we're going to concat that with our this dot last name right here. And again, the same thing, we're going to add space right here and say has another space. And after this, we're going to add this dot age right here. And again, add, and here is our years old. And now let's actually make this in two separate lines so you can see these in better mode. And now if we run, you can see that we got this Tim Smith has 29 years old, but it's dynamic. So here, for example, let's say we want to make this Tom. Again, if we run, we're going to see this result changing by our items right here. And this is how you use this keyword in methods inside of your objects. And basically, you can use this keyword wherever you want to refer the thing that you are coding inside of it. For example, let's say you are coding inside of some elements or event handler that we're going to have through the course. You can use those as well as refer to the thing that you are coding inside of it to use items of that thing right there. Please give a like and subscribe to catch next videos.